can't do this shit anymore.
Bitch, you better. I swear on King fucking Von, if you snitch the whole family, I swear I want to
beat
walk.
Bitch, move!
This bitch got catfish. This motherfucker just shit himself. You know what? Just don't worry about that motherfucker.
Yo, bro, fix
your fucking face. My fault.
The fuck?
Want some semen?
Bitch, move!
She got catfish.
Oh my god, how dare you! Titties!
Oh, my bad, yo. Mirabelle?
Gay?
Can you pass the nut, please? Yes. Can you pass the cream, please?
Yeah, here you go.
Thank you with your autistic ass.
Yeah, she basically got access by furry.
Yo, bitch. Huh? So, what's with the thunderstorm warning?
I'm fine.
Why is there a white tear coming down your leg?
She kidnapped a furry in her basement.
Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Not now. Yo, Mirabelle.
Ah, shit, that fucking hurt.
Yo, bitch, you good? Yeah, she's fine. She just wants y'all two to fucking get pregnant, bitch. Which you could do,
yeah.
right fucking now. But I was waiting until fucking next
You
week.
mother...